Good afternoon. A key witness in a murder was brutally attacked. It was not out in public. The witness was actually put in a jail cell with the suspected killer. Now the witness plans to sue the jail. News 13's Gabrielle Burkhart has the story from Clovis.
Police say accused murderer Luis Guerra brutally beat his alleged victim's brother, Jaime Perez, after the two were placed near each other Wednesday.
When Jaime Perez was placed in custody approximately 10 to 12 days ago, multiple family members requested that he be kept in isolation and be kept away from Luis Guerra.
Perez's lawyer, Ty Harmon, says the jail was also warned by the district attorney's office to keep the two apart. Perez is the key witness in his brother's murder trial. Authorities wouldn't tell us the charges that landed Perez in the Curry County Jail. When the two were placed in the same jail cell, authorities say Guerra attacked. Harmon said the attack lasted more than 20 minutes before any detention officer came to intervene. He also said in an area where inmates are considered dangerous, they had access to a weapon.
He had injuries to his forehead, to his eye. He had multiple bruises and abrasions to his back and to his arms.
Harmon says Guerra beat Perez with a broomstick apparently left by detention officers.
We don't know if there's detention officers that may be involved, but it definitely is much more than careless. Everyone was put on notice. He
says it was 16 hours before law enforcement was notified of the incident and that the fight happened in a pod the warden refers to as the Warrior Pod, housing inmates that pose the biggest threat.
That's one of the things that is so concerning, that this pod, they would allow a weapon to be available to an inmate and not have detention officers monitoring this pod at all times.
Jail officials declined to comment pending litigation. Curry County Sheriff's Department is investigating and say charges are pending. In Clovis, Gabrielle Burkhart, KRQE News 13.
Perez was hospitalized for his injuries and is back in custody. Guerra is set to go on trial next month for the 2011 shooting death of Daniel Perez.